Hey up everybody, welcome to series 2 of this absolute shambles of a video series. It feels weird being back here. I've got no idea what's under this towel and quite frankly it's fucking terrifying. So before we get to the bit that will probably end up ending my career, intro man, hit the intro please. No, not that one, this one.
Peanut butter, brown bread, tin tuna, quail's egg, avocado, chocolate spread and salmon sushi roll. Hash brown, corned beef, cucumber, salad leaf, white sugar, brown sugar or pistachio. Brown rice, jam jar, chopped tomato, milky bar, Welsh leeks, Irish beef, a folded up red cabbage leaf, jammy dodger, ice cream, smoked salmon, sliced spring, Reese's Pieces, Weetabix, Rice Krispies and a Mars bar. What the hell am I cooking? You have all been voting in some online polling. What the hell am I cooking? This could be as minging as this awful singing.
What do you think, eh? Bit of write the theme tune, sing the theme tune action there. Totally original idea, not stolen from something that was 20 years ago. But anyway, that's enough of my fun and over to yours. 3, 2, 1. Fuck off! This was supposed to be a nice thing. Fucking hell. Okay. What have you done? I've got... Right, that's banana. Couldn't have left them in packets. Labelled it. No. Cheesy Doritos, I'm guessing. What I hope is yogurt. If not, where the fuck's that come from? It's brown. Chocolate? No. Oh no, that's HP. Fair enough. And if I'm not mistaken, that's pigeon breast. I haven't had a drink in over a year. I might have to start again. Alright, I ain't got a fucking clue, you know. I could be thinking about this for 20 years and still not come up with a reasonable dish. Let's break this down, shall we? Break this down. I'm having a fucking breakdown. Right, pigeon. I can do that. That takes... I can do that. I've been a chef for 15 years. That takes like 2 minutes to cook. I'm not going to worry about that for a little bit. Brown sauce, yogurt. What would happen if I put them together? I suppose we'll find out. I've got a dressing. Cheesy Doritos, banana. That's not a thing, is it? I'll worry about you in a bit. You can fuck off. Cheese and pigeon. Pigeon works with parmesan. Haha, yes. Why did I do that? Oh, fuck me. If we do something and think, oh yeah, bowls were invented. What I'm thinking is try and make a Dorito Parmesan crisp. Just cook that on a bit of tray grease proof. What the hell am I going to do with you? What can you turn bananas into? Fritters. No, banana fritter would not work. If I crush these up, maybe I can put them in something and just hide the flavour. That's my main objective here, because banana's going to stick out like a sore thumb. Banana mush. No, that's not good. I got my pigeon pan heating up. Oh shit, they need to go in the oven. Just dropped a bit of oil into both. Ah dear. Well, that one. People pay me to do like cooking. People genuinely pay me to cook for them. That's my living. Who the fuck's gonna do that now? Right, banana mush pancake mix. That's gone in. Now you're going to take a little while to cook. No idea what's going on with the time, haven't been looking. And to be honest, if it goes over the 10 minutes, don't care. I'm going to season this, mainly because it's habit. It's good practice. But yeah, what's the fucking point? Still going to taste the banana and pigeon. Oh Christ, okay. Pigeon going in, not too hot. Nice sear on it. My only hope at this point is that each individual element tastes good enough. The whole thing tastes okay. Sit in the middle. Neat crispy thing. A little bit of grass. Bit of height, bit of colour. Little pigeon on the top. Bit more, just for hell of it. There we go. It's something. Definitely something. The bit I've dreaded more than actually cooking it was eating the fucker. It's not good. It's not good. I wish I had something clever or witty, something just to ram this off with. Maybe even something a bit educational. In fact, there you have. Don't fucking make that. See you on the next one. Ta-da.